Western Trauma Hospital is a specialized trauma center located in Tripoli with easy access of motorway. The hospital serves the population of Tripoli and the surrounding area. And work as a referral center for major trauma for all over the country. It deals with all types of trauma, including the initial assessment, resuscitation, and definitive care of the severely injured patient, as well as treating the minor injury of walking wounded. The hospital has a capacity of 500 beds and now admit an average of 500 to 600 patients per month. The Accident and Emergency Department treat an average of 85,000 to 19,000 patients per year. It consists of a fully equipped resuscitation room, a major treatment room, and a minor injury clinic. It also has an observation ward with a capacity of 20 beds. The Radiology Department, mainly for performing the conventional X-ray investigation. But also has a facility for performing ultrasound scan, CT scan, and angiograms. The department performs an average of 700 CT scans per month, and there is a plan for an MRI scan to be implanted. The General Surgery Department has a capacity of 120 beds and admit an average of 200 patients per month. And there's including the patient with a vascular and urological injury. The Orthopedic Department has a capacity of 120 beds and admit an average of 200 patients per month. Neurosurgical department has a capacity of 50 beds and admit an average of 50 patients per month. Chest surgery department has a capacity of 50 beds and admit an average of 30 patients per month. maxillofacial and plastic department has a capacity of 50 beds and admit an average of 50 patients per month. Operative theater has a 10 operating rooms and performed an average of 500 operations per month. Intensive care unit has a capacity of 14 beds and divided into intensive therapy unit and high dependency unit. It admits an average of 14 patients per month. Laboratory department with a facility for basic investigation and microbiology and virology. Endoscopy unit perform an average of 20 endoscopies and 50 ultrasound scans per week. Outpatient department, dealing with an average of 100 patients per day, with different specialties including follow-up cases and new surgical refers. Physiotherapy department, treating an average of 40 to 50 patients per day. Artificial limb department. This department has a facilities of providing artificial limb prostheses for upper and lower limbs, with an average of 150 prostheses per year, mostly a lower limb prosthesis. Abuseilm Hospital is a teaching hospital with close cooperation with the medical school in Al Fatah University, teaching 4th and 5th year medical students, including daily lecture and bedside teaching. All department has a daily morning meeting, and there is a weekly mortality and morbidity meeting every Thursday with all hospital doctor attend. There is also statistic and auditing department dealing with collection of data and providing information about all hospital departments.